So we're here with the tractor. We're going to be digging here. Half an acre basically, so that we can plant vegetables together with the Culture and Arts kids. So we don't want to use the cow because using a cow is not vegan. So instead we will use the tractor. So we're here digging with the tractor. Some of the kids are here with us. So this is the tractor. So we're digging all the way up to there, and then here we will plant as many vegetables as possible. And there's some boys out with the cows there. Welcome to Giriama Lounge, Culture and Arts Project. See if we can grow some food for the kids.